Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with, yes you guessed it, of course, another unboxing. What we have for today's video, it is our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. For those of you that don't know about this box, it is a $25 a month subscription and it is an upgrade for those of you that already have the Ipsy, the regular Ipsy Glam Bag subscription. You can go ahead and upgrade to this box here for $25 a month. And if I remember correctly, they actually give you the option of just getting this one, which is the Glam Bag Plus, or keeping both. So for this month, we have, well, for this video, we have this month's box, which is for August. We have our little pink box here, and let me get inside so we can see what we got for this month. And like it usually looks like, we have our little packaging foam here with all the products on the inside, and this box actually feels pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what we have in here. And like all the other ones, we have a little pamphlet with all of the products that we get inside and any other product information that we may need to help us, at least use the products. So I'm going to go ahead and pull. Ooh, this is nice. Now I see why the box was heavy. So we have a nail polish. It's super cute. So it is from Smith & Cold and it's a super nice color. It is in the shade Pillow Pie. And I love their packaging. It's super cute. I wonder, let me open it. Hey, wait a minute. I wonder if it's supposed to do that or if it just did it by accident. I wonder. I can't open it. Oh, there you go. Wait, so then. There you go. Okay. So that is the color there. It's super nice. It's a very nice light pink color that that I really like. So first item from our box, not bad. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. And okay, so we have something from Ahava. I think that's how you pronounce it. I should probably search that, but Ahava, and it is a hydration cream mask. So this one, it is a face mask, I think. Yes, it is a face mask. Let's see what it looks like. Doesn't really smell like anything, and it feels, I think I might have taken out a little bit too much. It feels like, just like a lotion. So you're supposed to put it on your skin, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're supposed to rinse it off. So that is what it looks like there on my skin. It just looks like a really thick lotion. So I'm excited to try this out, especially when I use some makeup remover. I do have a makeup remover that dries out my little skin. That dries out my skin a little bit more than others. So this would be a really nice product to follow it up with at night when I'm pretty much taking all my makeup off. So let's see what else we have in here. And it looks like we have a brush set from Farah. We get 2, 4, 5 brushes. That's how they come packaged. So let me take it out. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like. These almost look like little icicles. I don't know if that's what they're supposed to look like, but that's what they remind me of. Little icicles. We get, let me see, does it have the information? No. Maybe our little pamphlet does. We get, okay, so we get one here, which is the 10F. It says you can use this one to prime. We get, let me see, they all have numbers here in the back, but because it looks like they're only like engraved in there, they don't really have color. It's a little bit difficult to see the numbers. So let me see. So the 105 here, it says you can use this one to either line or smudge. when you put on maybe like a pencil eyeliner, that is what that one looks like. It's just like your typical pencil brush. This one's a little bit thicker. And then we have 35 EM, and that one you can use to blend creases, which is this one here. Not too puffy. So this one will be nice to get right inside your crease. And then we have the 65, which here you can use to apply a base color, like right on your eyelid. If you just want to kind of dust the color all over your lid, this one would be nice to do so. And then last but not least, we have the 15E, which you can use to define and set brows with pomade or powder. It is an angled brush. That's what that one looks like there. And those are the ones that we have. They are super soft, but they don't feel like they're the best quality, really. So, you know, everybody has different taste in brushes. I don't mind these as long as they work well with color. So that is our third item from our box. And what we have next, we have something here from Tokyo Milk, and it is a blush oil stick. Oh, that is their packaging there. Super cute. Pink, gold, and white. Let me see. I've never tried an oil stick, so that sounds kind of interesting. Super packaging, super cute packaging on the inside as well. Just white with gold lines and letters here on the top. And let's see. And then this is really red. I'm gonna look like the clowns. You know how they just put two like red circles there. That's what I feel like I'm gonna look like. So let me do it here. Yeah, that's really red. If I try to blend it out. Yeah, so if you're going to go in with this one, I would recommend to go in with a very light hand, because if not, you're going to end up looking like a clown. So that's what it looks like once you try to, blend it in. It looks pretty nice. It's just that you're going to have to be very, very careful when you first apply it, because it is very pigmented. And then once you blend it in, it pretty much dries off. So good luck with this one. So I'm gonna, I don't know. This one interests me, but then it scares me at the same time, because what if I can't control it? So that is our 4th item. We have one more left. So let's see what we have in here. And we have a eyeshadow palette from the Balm. I know the Balm likes to get into subscription boxes a lot. And we have, this one is in the palm of your hand. Greatest Hits version, no. It says volume. How am I getting version? So it says Greatest Hits Volume 2. And it looks like we have some eyeshadows and then some face colors. So let me open this up. So we get a mirror and we get our colors. These are, the eyeshadows are pretty good size pans. And then we get a few, this looks like a bronzer and 3 blushes. This one looks like it's matte. This one looks like it has a little bit of like shine. No, not shine. I don't know, what would you call it? Just not a matte color. And then this one looks like it has a little bit more of a glow to it. So let me get really quick swatches for you guys. I'll go ahead and put them here on my arm so we can see what the color looks like. Okay, so I have some really quick swatches here for you guys. Let me show you. So I went ahead and started with this very top shade. I went down to this highlight one, and then I went back up to the bronzer, and then I went down to the blushes. So this one here is the very first eyeshadow, the really dark one. We have a metallic, This one is a matte. And we have the highlighting shade. I think you can use this one as a highlighter, but of course you can also use it as an eyeshadow. We have our bronzer, and then we have our 3 blushes. The blushes are all different tones of pink, but they're all really nice. I actually don't mind the very, very last one, which is the one that has the most like a shimmer glow to it. I think I like all 3. So those were all the products that we got for our box. Really quick, let me give you guys some retail prices for the items. And we're going to go ahead and start with our palette here. It is $32. Our Tokyo Milk Blush Oil Stick retail value is $24. Then up next, our brush set from Farah. Okay, so according to them, the retail value for this is $50. Honestly, I do not think that these brushes, even as a set, I do not think they're worth $50. But that's what they're saying. So $50 for these brushes. The no polish here from Smith & Colt, $18. Wow, I would not pay $18 for a nail polish, for any nail polish, not just this one, but $18 for this nail polish here. And then the very last item, our Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask, we have a value of $33. So let me give you the total value of the box real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so after adding all of the prices up, we got a total value of $157. That is a very high value for this box because remember, we only paid $25 for it. I think they might be lying to us about some of the prices, like the brushes. $50? I don't know about that one. So, but I mean, I'm always happy to get brushes in our box because you always need them. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That is all for my video today. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this box, and maybe you got something different. I hope I will see you guys next time. I should be back with another unboxing pretty soon. And that is all for me today. Again, I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.